Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to today's task. It has been nearly 3 months since we worked on this road because the company working on the road has had all their trucks allocated for asphalt jobs. Well, it is too cold, hence the snow, for asphalt. And so now they have got trucks ready for this job, which is a little bit leery to me because now we've got snow, so it makes coming in and out of this property a little bit rough, I think. But in the meantime, this ground right here has been able to compact and get really hard and good and solid for the trucks to get down onto. And so now we're ready to start bringing in loads and loads of dirt. But we've switched. Last time we were working, we had the dozer, and my operator did a great job. I don't know if that dozer's out of commission or they've got it for other jobs or something, but now they've got a grader, and look at how much material we're bringing in. Look at the size of these rocks. This is just so that we can compact and make this material hard for our asphalt eventually to go onto. Told me that we've got 3 trucks running today, which is not that much, but they're dedicated to this property all day long. And I guess that's how it works in the construction world, at least the big equipment world, is certain vehicles get allocated to certain jobs or they'll go back and forth, and it's a matter of when they can get you. But we've got 3 for us today. What is super cool is to know that these guys know not only their equipment so well, but they know their material really, really well. There are 2 different plants in this end of the valley they can get this material from, but all of the operators like the plant we're pulling from today better than the plant we pulled from last time, because this stuff grips and binds and holds together a little bit better. And I can already tell because the trucks aren't getting stuck or sinking into it. So they have the road grader, and that is setting our base grade, and it was working pretty well, but he was having a hard time when it come to the drop-off area. So they brought in a front loader to kind of help set the dirt where they want it. It can pick it up and move it and really kind of be a little more precise about getting it where they want it. And when we did this top part up here, this was so sandy and soft that they actually had to go out the property, down and out that dirt road out there. That is not even an option with the snow and the mud right now. So they're using the better material that'll pack instantly, and it works a lot better. The stuff that we put down earlier has since compacted. It just takes a little bit longer to do that.
Yeah, she is.
Welcome back to today's task. We have just finished up what I would consider section 2 of the driveway. We have got road base all the way down to the house. My truck is now parked right in front of the house, which I feel like is a crazy feeling that we've got the road all the way down here. We've brought in road base, which was required by our zoning clearance, and we still are working towards getting the roundabout all the way finished up where the kids are playing right now. But what I want to show you is how much we've had to bring in to meet our grade up there. I'm not going to say 10% again, because you guys have heard that a million times. But the grade had to be 10%. That's just what it was. So this slope I'm walking up feels really gradual and nice right now. But that's because it took a lot of work and a ton of material. If you remember, there was actually a cut in the road right here that went down about 4 feet. We thought that was going to end up being the grade, but the way it lined up, we actually had to lift it up about 5 feet there, and that's almost a 15-foot drop here. So we've brought in a ton of material, a lot more than I think we planned on. Before we finish the house, we will put a final grade on it. They'll come in with a road grader and we'll laser shoot this and really make it just nice and clean, and then we'll asphalt it. There's a little bit more fine tuning, but this is what we needed minimum to get us in the building process. So you guys, this is phase 2, and I know this is short and simple, but I wanted to keep you updated with what we're doing, when we're doing it, as best we can. This has been on a hiatus for 2 months. And since they got back here this week, the week of Christmas, a little wild, I wanted to get this video out to you guys so you can see and be up to date on what's going on the whole Lean 13 build. So if you guys like today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And if you want to be a part of the rest of what we're doing on this property, click that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos. Until then, Merry Christmas, and we'll see you guys next time. Keep going. Push it up.
I gotta take off my glove.
There you go, Tito.
Let's see here. Either our temple or tabernacle.
Where? That's the temple.
Dad! Look!
Okay. Hey, quiet. Code, if you see where there's no bushes, kind of cut through that trail. This is the same material. This material, they have 2 different plants. They make videos on YouTube. So there's a little bit of technique we need to work on. Not technique. I wanted to get a video. I wanted to get this video out. I can't talk, my mouth's frozen.